So the biggest lesson that I learned in the early stages of starting a company is to ensure that you have the right team. 90% of doing a startup is about ensuring that you have a team that you can lean on and that you have skill sets that are complementary. One thing that I would strongly recommend, especially for technical co-founders, is to find a strong co-founder with skill sets that complement yours. And in my case, I was a chemical engineer, and as a result, I wanted to find a co-founder with finance as a background. And together, the two of us have been able to grow the business into what we have today, 10 years later.
For us, the biggest unexpected challenge that we ever went through was COVID. So we had an entire plan for this year with lots of experiments and a lot of progress to do on technical milestones. And suddenly we didn't have access to the lab. We figured out that actually we could do something else that we could do from the safety of our homes, which was to work on our business plans, to talk to mentors a lot, and to do financial modeling, to do techno-economic modeling. And that flexibility is super important to keep going when everything feels like it's at a standstill. And we also learned that we need to take care of ourselves because if we're not healthy, if we're not present, we can't be creative and move our business forward.
One thing I've learned in my experience as an entrepreneur is that the people you work with are extremely important. At Anther Energy, I've had the privilege to work with a few of my really good friends and colleagues from my research lab, and that's made the experience infinitely better and infinitely more enjoyable. And so I would say to anyone who's thinking about starting a company or thinking about entrepreneurship, begin thinking about who those people are and who are the type of people you'd want to work with. These collaborations on research projects could turn into something much bigger.